Wait, hey, do you make sounds, bro?
Huh?
Do you?
Bro, you're the TikTok dude who does the singing and shit,
It's
bro.
not me, bro.
What?
It's not me.
Yeah, it is, bro.
Oh, why you mogging?
Yeah, I don't even know what that means.
You do know what that means. You know damn well what that means. You're Luke Maxing.
I don't, dude. Can you just audio max? What, bro? I'm waiting, bro.
Audio
Come on,
Max
bro.
is crazy.
You just audio max on me, bro? Can you song max?
What
Like,
the
I'm
fuck
getting
does that
pissed.
mean? Audio Max.
Come on, bro. Come on, you're edging the fuck out of me.
No, I play it, you do it.
No way, I can't, bro. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this.
Come on, you're ready. Come on.
Let's go. Bro, am I delayed? Or did I hit it, bro? Did I hit that shit or am I delayed as fuck? What are you laughing at?
Nothing. That was really good.
I was delayed as fuck, wasn't I, bro?
That was really good, bro. Damn.
You're lying.
No. No.
You're lying.
You're just mogging me right now, bro. It's a fever dream? What the fuck is this?
Are you real?
Why does everyone think I'm AI? Stop!
Oh my god, you are. You're AI.
How do I look fake? How?
You're AI.
How do I look fake?
Oh my god, you're literally AI.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo, dad! Dad, bro! Dad! Oh god! Oh shit! Do it, please! Please! Damn, do it!
Huh?
I want to say something, but I don't want to be rude. I don't want to be rude.
Go ahead, go ahead.
You look like a Simpson.
That's fire. Everybody calls me Mr. Beast.
You look like if Mr. Beast was a Simpson.
Do the original!
Which
Do
one?
the original!
What you eating?
Some trail mix. Work out for me.
We got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again. But is that
I
Do it,
remember
do
you.
the thing.
I remember you.
Do the thing. Do the thing.
You do the thing.
Do it, bro. Please. Yo. Yo. No, I can, like, little.
Excuse me, can you? No, I'm so serious. Isn't that the fucking guy that goes like puma 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 puma? Stay, I need to ask you something.
What are you guys talking about?
Wait, do you have like the TikTok account? Can you do the thing, please?
What are you guys talking about?
He's like, do it, do the.
Fortuna! Yes! I finally met you, bro!
Really, bro?
Don't put me on a video, bro.
Do a backflip.
Do a backflip?
Yeah.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Wait, you gonna do it?
Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna do it. I wanna be in a fucking video, bro.
Damn. What was that?
Bro, hold on. Give me a second. My bad. Hold on. I can do a front flip though. Give me a second.
What? That is not a front flip. Oh. Oh.
Are you just really still? I'm a little concerned. Hold on, I'm getting real close. Pookie? Oh my god! You're real! I love when you make noise.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Like what noise? Type shit. Like, which noise?
A little giggle. A cute little giggle.
What?
I'm just a little scared. Are you real?
Did you not like that, or?
No, I didn't like that. Oh, I'm sorry, Pookie. I did like it. I'm just joking. I was
Why
just
you laugh? Why you laugh?
I was just joking. I was just joking. I loved it.
No, you didn't. What the?
You look like when you go on YouTube and type in like anomaly video, like horror short, you look like one of them.
What?
Like this is what you see before a creature rips out of your skin and kills me. That's what I would see.
No.
Are you laughing at my laugh?
No.
I was trying to have a good time.
Why you cry?
Because you laughed at me.
I didn't laugh. Laugh again? Laugh again?
Make me laugh. I can't just laugh on command.
Make you laugh. Okay, so. So it's a New Year's joke. So dogs every year be like, "What is that noise? Oh, I'm scared. Oh. Get it?
No, that was a good one. So doing those fucking facial expressions. So you come here often?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Me too. Is it hot in here or just?
I have autism.
Clearly.
No one wants me. I'm so ugly. Stop laugh. Stop laugh right now.
Stop laugh. Stop laughing.
You're about to get it. You're about to get it. You're about to get it.
Oh,
Stop
what?
laughing.
You are about to get it.
Say it
Go
with,
what?
say it
Go
with me.
what?
Stop laughing. Stop laughing. That's... You're gay.
I'm gay.
Wait, are you a girl or a boy?
Stop laugh. Trevor. Chill.
Wait, this is fake. It can't be the real you because you're too famous.
I'm not famous.
You're gonna do it. Like, wait, can you say, uno, dos, tres for me real quick?
Nope.
So it's not the real you. Wait, is it? It is the real you.
Nope. AI is real these days, you know. It's too real.
Okay, can you you're gonna do it any second, aren't you?
No.
It's gonna happen.
Probably not.
Any second.
Probably not.
Come on. Please do it.
Probably not.
Please. I need this. It's gonna happen. I know it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen
Nope.
randomly.
Probably not. Nope.
Come on. You were.
Probably not. Nope.
You're kind of killing me, dude. Exactly. Stop trolling. Just do it. I know you have the power.
Yo.
What is up, my brother?
Your what?
What is up, my brother?
What did you want to say?
What do you mean?
You said my an.
Yeah, I just started. Leave me alone.
What did you want to say though?
I just started.